Hello, my name is Jessica Oliver. I will be teaching physical science this year for the 2021 school year at Wayne County High School. We'd like to welcome everyone back. We know we're going to have an interesting year this year. We will be doing everything we can to follow all safety procedures. We'll be cleaning desks and computers between classes and during class, which we tend to do a lot anyway in my classroom. It is a science classroom, so we're up doing labs and doing a lot of interactive stuff in our notebooks, so we're constantly cleaning, and we'll definitely be doing all that we can to ensure everyone's safety, including wearing our mask. That is going to be something that is mandatory, so make sure you're working on that at home, practicing wearing your mask. As far as physical science goes, we have a very fun year planned. You will need to have a 3-ring binder. I would say a minimum of 1.5 inches. 2 inches really gives you room in your notebook. It will be full just for science by the end of the semester. Be a good idea to have some dividers in that. We have 8 units that we cover. So if it helps you to keep each unit separated with a binder, that would be a good idea to go ahead and get those. We also use note cards. I do have those available in the classroom if you're out, but if you want to go ahead and purchase some of those when you're doing your school supply shopping, pick up some note cards as well. And then, of course, pencils. If you would like to donate at any time, we use highlighters, markers, colored pencils, scissors, glue, Kleenex, wipes, any of that would be appreciated. And if you would like to go ahead and set up your own pencil case with those types of things in it, that would probably be a good idea for this year so that you have your own set of everything. I have a Google Classroom set up for each class. This is an example of what my first block Google Classroom looks like. So I've been using Google Classroom for a few years now, so classwork, assignments, videos, anything that I want you to take a look at will be on Google Classroom. There'll be assignments under classwork, such as here. This is where we'll add everyone once we get everyone on our rosters in the classes, and we will communicate this way as well. So that's something we have set up for each class. Here's one for later on in the day for the accelerated physical science classes. We've got another Google Classroom set up. If you have questions, I will be available on Friday, August the 14th from 9:30 to 10:30 for a live chat. I've provided my link on the Google sites that we have available for the virtual open house. So that is on the live chat link, and you can get in touch with me on Friday morning or send me an email at joliver@wayne.k12.ga.us. I look forward to having you in class. See you all soon.